Hi there, this is just another short video showing you how to use your Google account. So I'm on a normal Google search engine page here, using any browser that you choose, and then up here in the top right you'll always see a sign in button. And this is using your usual school information, so you can see that's my school email, but this is my test account, and it will remember you after the first time you've done it if you want it to, but when you log in for the first time, make sure that it's your school email and then it's your school username and password. It's always the same way of doing it. You can make your computer remember it, but for safety reasons, there's a two-level login. It's your email first and then your username and password afterwards. Once you get into that, it will then bring you back to the same page, but you'll see in the top right you're now logged in when you get to access all of the different Google apps that are available. They're all accessible through this, which is, some people call it the waffle icon. But you click here and it brings down the menu of all the things that you can access on your education account. It won't have all of these, but it will have most of them. Obviously, Gmail, which you use now as your student email accounts. YouTube, I'm sure you all know how to use that. Obviously, using it appropriately on your school account, and that's important. Drive is where any documents that you work on are saved. It's like your online memory stick, and we encourage students to make sure that you have copies here because you can access them anywhere at any time. And then importantly, three ones that you might not have heard of here, which is Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Now, these are the online Google version of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, all of them run almost exactly the same as you would do for the Microsoft versions of things, but they're a lot easier to use on the internet with Google, and they run it almost exactly the same. So if your teachers are setting you something via Docs, Sheets, or Slides, don't be scared of them. Use them as you would normally, and you'll find actually that while you're working online and at home, they should be a lot easier for you to access and be able to work with. I'm going to do a separate video in a moment of how to use Google Classroom a little bit more cleanly, because that's something we're going to be using a lot with your teachers over the coming weeks. But the basics of this is that you have access to all of these different things through your normal school account. If you have any problems with this or any questions, please make sure you contact your class teacher or form tutor, and we'll be able to help you with any problems. Thank you, bye-bye.